All of it to eat off. All of up there so too. We have to eat off more than 2 places. And in this. Let's see it. Jason, where you say go on?
Yo, what the hell?
Where you say go on, Jason? Jason, where you say go on? Where you think boy star? Where you think boy star?
You see it? You see what go on?
Where you think boy star, Jason? Come here, man. Tell me where you think boy star.
I can't think nothing boy star, man. You tell us I like me there.
Well, who we also know Gilbert?
You only hear about the story here.
No, you have to reach 40. You know.
And Gilbert born same time.
You don't reach 40. Where you say go on?
Gilbert at 37-year-old.
Yeah, for true.
Talk to you over there.
So where you say, what go on now Gilbert?
You might not know about it, hear about it.
You don't know.
Drink titty.
Drink titty. Bomb! That's them a drink titty that time there. Oh, go on people, you don't know, so there and I stormy weather, you see it, you see? Look up. Yeah man, you go show no one go on the seaside. Yeah man, Melissa look like in the clothes. You see it, so I say, just stay in. So make sure you have food. Strap down the zinc cap them. You see mine there, I strap it down, you know. You see it, strap down the zinc cap. If you don't have wind off it nail up, fly board, yeah man, just stay right there. Yeah, but people in I stormy weather, me uncle, you know. See you pray. Police them dust past there. But you also go on, uncle. What you think about storm?
I say storm, I'm going away and I'm done.
Yeah.
We have to just go and eat and drink.
You know, I get facey. I get facey, you know. Yeah, my people see what go on there. Alright, go out on the seaside, you know. See, pray. See what go on the seaside. Yeah man, we're outside man. Melissa, I'm saying tomorrow to come. I'll show you what go on. On my side, St. Mary's side. Yeah man. See it there? Out on the seaside me I go man. Believe. So what go on. Farm them. Breeze blow down some whole heap of it. Go see no normal. See no normal people. Every wave. All you pass it. Be water out there, say. But be a crop. That was done so good. People look what I got. See rough. Alright, people, watch out. We out more the land there, you know. And look here. Look how long this is. See I take with the whole of the land. See rough. Look there. View for say it a box come. Check. People, all me I say, want to just stay safe. Yeah man, cause you say it's not normal, let's eat so. Just lock in, stay safe. Yes, tomorrow it come that Monday. And if for Monday night till about Tuesday morning, I think. I don't know. So I just want to stay safe. Yeah man, I show you what I go and said way. Water like heavy down so I try to zoom it up and show you. I try to zoom it up and look and show you. All of the land I eat off. Watch it. All of it I eat off. All up there so too. But you have to eat off more than 2 places. And in this. You see it. But I expect to see it rough honestly, but you can see say some heavy waves out a leak out in the sea. Look at the wave then and now. All of them white something there, go and see. A wave. Look at it. The sea looks scared though. Because the water level rise. Because the come fishing out here, so normally walk on the side. As you can see, water level, the tide high, well high. Bellies are far, look on the cloud are move and go on the north coast. About for east. What may I tell you people? We really see a leak. No, watch out. So I'm crab there. See? Little people. See how heavy. Whole place. Just a burst itself. See star. That's it. Hope we hear say turn back, but she move slow. You know say in a full waters, in the Caribbean waters, warmer waters as it, so it get more strength. But who don't mind it does shift from Jamaica. We get the local rain, probably local breeze, but the impact of me say it come with in a normal. Wicked where next one name? The next one name Gilbert. Wicked and Gilbert. Just go and stay safe. I just show no one go on the sea, but cause stay from out of my yard and hear it a leak. But I tell the people, anybody going at this, they must really be a fisherman. You can really swim out. You see, or a soldier or one of them. You know, train in water, but the regular man can like all go out there so you see the wave them a lick and swim come in. That go hard. Maybe. But it go hard. You see it. Yeah man. Now what go in now still? No, me right go in. I show you where I go and segue from my way in. Because just a brace yourself, man. I just then time I will get to outside because start to recheck, but if they close them so you see it so. Just go and stay tuned and watch what I go on. I walk out on the road now. Maybe walk the lane them and see what I go on. Yeah man, just go and stay tuned and watch what I go on. Melissa, they close. You mean? Man, they on that tree hide for Melissa. No, man. And I discuss. And I discuss who I go first. She a forward. Jason, where you go on?
Yo, what the hell?
Where you go on, Jason? Jason, where you go on? Where you think boy star? Where you think boy star?
You see it? You see what go on?
Where you think boy star, Jason? Come here, man. Tell me what you think about Star. Man.
I can't think nothing about Star, man. You tell us I like me there.
Yeah, nice Star. You go interview them, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I want to think about Star. No man, answer.
Before Star, we say talk about that Gilbert. All the man
But
see me, I go so.
who we also know Gilbert?
You only hear about the story here.
No, no, you also reach 40. You know.
Me and Gilbert born same time.
You reach 40.
Over this.
What you say, go on?
Gilbert at 37-year-old.
Yeah, for true.
13 over this.
So what you say, what go on to Gilbert?
You might not know about it, hear about it.
You don't know.
I drink titty.
Drink titty. Bomb! Yeah, they might drink titty that time there. Who's by you there when Gilbert have blow?
No, they not think about me yet.
They don't think about
They
it.
not think about me.
So, sorry, who's by you there?
Me?
Eh.
Me not born then time there.
So cool, man. Where you run go? Who's by you there? Who's by you there when Gilbert have blow?
Good eye, belly.
In a belly. You think you can get me? Who's by you there?
Under my umbrella.
But, you know who's by me there? No, you know who's by me there, Jason? No, I know why you hold the camera. Who's by you there?
No, under my umbrella, brother.
No, who's by you there when Gilbert? Gilbert in here? I Evan. Gilbert. Who's by you there when Gilbert?
The man, the brother. Yeah, man.
Yeah, how much?
Me?
You know reach 30 good it.
This is a man, man.